Good morning. Welcome to self-proclaimed fashion icon. Welcome to 11 of my iconic summer looks. Wake up. Time to get dressed. Whee! This shirt is made by trill, hashtag BEENTRILL, hashtag mallratz. It is bought from Goodwill. I cut and altered the existing neck opening, sleeves, and bottom hem. The shorts are made by Third Kind. They were purchased from Plato's closet. The shoes are by Marc Nason, and I love the little woven leather detail down the side that looks like a baseball. Just a little outfit that makes me feel kind of, punky and streety and cool. This shirt is made by Riff Stars, RIFFSTARS. It was purchased retail. I cut and altered the sleeves and then sewed them under. The shorts are by Volcom. They're sized as medium, and I believe they came from men's Macy's. Just a little summer look. Polka dots and stripes on the bottom. Big tongue on top. This shirt was thrifted. It is by a company called Mad. I don't know if it has anything to do with the magazine, but I love this shirt. The shorts are made by SPF.ICON. That's right, I made these shorts. They were made out of a Asian kitchen curtain, and I turned them into kind of a boxer style. The hat and the patch that says boys on the hat, the checkered hat, I put the patches on there. And just black, white, and red. Just something you gotta do. This shirt was gifted to me by a friend that owns a vintage store. The shirt is a vintage woman's shirt by a company called LULAROE. I love this shirt. I rolled the sleeves twice and then top stitched it down so they stay rolled up. I did add a panel on the bottom of the shirt to make it more of that kind of 50s style where the shirt is joined and you can pull it over. The shorts, I made those as well. Those are SPF.ICON. The necklace I made as well. And the hat, I believe, is from Target. This shirt is made by Brooklyn Calling NYC. It was purchased retail. The shorts are by SPF.ICON. Surprise, surprise. This is a thrifted dress with the kind of tribal pattern on one side, and then the orange side was a handkerchief with monkeys on it sitting on a record. And the hat is a hat that has kind of a newsprint on it, but it has Elvis and David Bowie next to each other. And then there's a patch that I've sewed to the hat that has two skeletons boning. Ooh, you'll see a picture of it right about there. It is. Yep, classy. The shoes are blue suede Pumas. This is one of my favorite shirts. It's starting to age and get spots on it, and I'm going to be very sad when it is finally time to turn it into something else. This shirt is unlabeled. It was thrifted exactly as it is. I believe I may have taken it in on the sides a little bit because it was starting to stretch out. The shorts are by Quicksilver. The bag is from Rue 21, but I got it secondhand, and then I added the lion patch, which I took off a pair of Thai boxing shorts that I used for another project a while ago. I love this shirt. I wear this shirt all the time. It is starting to show a lot of signs of wear but I will wear it until the day it falls apart. So when you find something you love, hold on to it, treat it nicely, wash it in cold water. The glasses are by Von Zipper. And this is just really an everyday look for me. This shirt is made by a company called Dissizit, Dissizit. I'm not sure if they exist anymore, but they had some really cool stuff. This obviously is a reference to Andy Warhol, but the soup can has been shot at and is leaking soup. So it's even more of an artistic critique of a certain genre that goes right along with these SPF.ICON shorts that I made out of old t-shirts. I doubled all the t-shirt thickness so it feels more like a sweatshirt weight, and it's made out of all thrifted t-shirts, and they all came out of, I think, one Goodwill. I think there was one Goodwill that had this incredible collection of t-shirts, and I knew I wanted to try a project like this. This bag is made by a company called Vi&L, and I linked them below, but that is made out of recycled billboard vinyl from America's highways. The shoes are Stan Smith Adidas in banana yellow. Now we start to get more into club wear. This shirt is made by mallratz for Forever 21, Gone But Not Forgotten. It was a special edition collaboration. The shorts are made by SPF.ICON. That's right, I made those shorts. It was a Polaroid print dress that was thrifted that I converted into these matching shorts for myself, so I would have a matching outfit. The back of the shorts were from an existing pair of shorts that I found thrifted as well. And I just love this print. It reminds me of like Club Kids days. It's just totally me. I just love this, and I would wear this out to the club. I believe one of these Polaroids actually has one of my favorite artists, Dougie Fields, on it. You can find him on Instagram, Dougie Fields. Here is another everyday look from me. This is a oversized shirt by Top Man. It is exactly the way I bought it, with the sleeves and the length of the hem and the collar. I have patterned off of this many times. These shorts are made by Globe and a size 34. They were purchased at PacSun. I believe PacSun is no longer with us as well. These shorts are what I used to pattern all the other shorts I made. I had a pair in a size 34, and when they finally fell apart, I cut them apart and paper patterned them, and that is how I have SPF.ICON shorts today. When did we get to the club? This is an unlabeled thrifted shirt in gold see-through mesh. The shorts are made by SPF.ICON. That's right, me. They are a size 34, 36 large. The necklace is silver, black onyx, and tiger eye. And this is something I would consider wearing out, but it is much more suited to a 11 of my iconic summer looks than it is actually going out in public. But who knows? If I felt daring enough, I might. I'm 40 years old, and I can only get away with something like this for so much longer before it's probably already considered pretty ridiculous. I really liked rolling these sleeves up. I may actually do that for real and stitch them down. It gave the whole look a little bit more of a masculine vibe since it is oversized boat neck collar. Yeah, pretty daring. I don't know. Who else would wear gold? Comment below. Slow motion. Yeah, slow motion. Make sure you're ready for this next look. And here is the SPF.ICON jockstrap bikini brief. Wow, there it is. There's one of my homemade do-it-yourself label fashion tags just for me. SPF.ICON. This shirt is thrifted, upcycled, sleeves shortened, and the patch of the gentleman making water at the urinal was added on as well. And there it is in all its glory. Now back into my pajamas. This shirt is pretty old. It was made by Anchor Blue. True artists create something from nothing. A truer quote as true can be. And the shorts were made by Sesame Street. I hope you enjoyed 11 of my iconic summer looks. This is FPF Icon, self-proclaimed fashion icon, signing out. See you soon.